Hello Year 1, welcome to your literacy lesson. So today I would like you to do some handwriting practice. I'm going to send you some different worksheets. Now there are 4 different sheets, but you do not have to do all of them today because that would be too much. I'd like you to do 1 today and then the rest you do another time when you have free time, okay? Alright then, so before we begin, I just wanted to talk about the direction of the letters. Now, do you remember, we spoke about this in class a couple of months ago now, when we're writing a letter, do we start it from the top or the bottom? Can you remember? It's the top, isn't it? Okay, so let's have a look, for example. Here's the letter A. I've just drawn a little spot and some arrows. So we start at the top and we go all the way round, up and down. Here's the letter K. Starting at the top, we go from the top all the way round and down. S. Starting at the top, go all the way round and down to the bottom, and then Z from the top to the bottom. Let's do a different letter. So for example, let's do the letter T. So can you see I'm starting at the top, going down and up, and then I add the cross afterwards. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these words. I'm going to do a few of them with you. So we've got the, a, do, to, today, of and said. These are common exception words. That just means they're tricky words that we've just got to learn. Okay, so you'll notice there are lines on the paper. Can you tell me what's wrong with that? Well, first of all, it's a little bit big. And secondly, can you see how I've gone over the lines there? So what I want to do is try to stay inside these lines. Now, all the letters that have a big tall neck, like a T or a H, do you see how they go up to the top and they're the same size? And then all the round letters, all these round parts, so the round bit of the H and the E, they're the same size as well. So I would like you to practice writing these words 1 or 2 times per word, and I want you to practice trying to make those letters more or less, they don't have to be exact, but more or less the same size. Okay, so here I have my A. I'm starting at the top and I'm staying on those lines. Same with do. Do you see here how the round part, it's the same size as the O? I'm going to do that 2 times. And then my T. Now, this one's interesting. Have a look at the word today. I've got a I, and this letter has got a tail. Now, can you see a problem here? Look at this. Can you think what the problem with my Y is there? My tail is far too long and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the next line. So it just means this word, when I try to write it, I'm not going to have enough room. So you need to make sure that those tails are nice and short, okay? Nice and short, so we've got enough room. Okay. Off. Off. Ah, look, do you see what I mean? That big long tail's getting in my way. Let's do another one. Said. Said. Now, just a couple of other things as well, Year 1. I want you to make sure that you're holding your pencil between your index finger and your thumb like that, okay? With your middle finger for the pencil to rest on. Also as well, make sure that you're sitting up, because that helps a lot. And that we're holding the pencil nice and straight, because sometimes if we hold our pencil, for example, like that, that's really difficult, isn't it? So sitting up, nice and straight. Okay, and I'd like you to try and write those words a couple of times each. Best handwriting, okay? So, like I say, you don't have to do all of it, just one sheet today. All right, thank you.